In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Login to your Lovable app. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable dashboard home. This is your project's control center, and it's where you'll trigger the change. Make sure you're in the right workspace for the app you want to update so the edits land exactly where you expect. Next, look for the Ask Lovable panel. This is the built-in assistant that can modify your app from a simple instruction. Click on Ask Lovable to open the chat interface. You'll see a text box at the bottom where you'll communicate what you want the assistant to do. Click into the message box and press Enter or the Submit icon once to start an interaction if the assistant prompts you to. This simply wakes up the chat or confirms you're ready to give a request, so you're set to compose a clear instruction. Now type your prompt. Be specific so the assistant understands the scope. For example, tell it you want Google Login added, where the button should appear, and what should happen after a successful sign-in. You might say something like, add a continue with Google button to the sign-in screen. On success, route users to the dashboard. If sign-in fails, show a friendly error message and keep them on the same screen. If your app already has an email password flow, mention that you want Google offered alongside it. The more context you include about target screens and post-login navigation, the better the first draft will be. Avoid pasting any sensitive credentials. Lovable will guide you if configuration is needed and keep anything private out of your code display. When the assistant proposes the changes, review them carefully. This is your chance to make small edits like adjusting button text, placement, or colors so it matches your brand. Check the summary of what was updated, confirm the sign-in route is correct, and ensure any redirects or protected pages point to the right destinations. If something isn't quite right, refine your prompt in the same chat and let the assistant update the proposal. Once you're happy, click Publish to apply the change to your app. Publishing saves and deploys the update so users can access the Google login right away. Give it a moment to complete, then open your app and try the flow end to end to confirm everything works smoothly. That's it. Using Ask Lovable, you've added Google Login with a clear prompt and a single publish. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded sign-in experience.